All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. So memorandum. Mem or andum. Memorandum. A written message for people in a business or organization. So I wrote the memorandum. Yeah, so I wrote the memorandum. I am reading the memorandum now. He wrote another memorandum. She thinks she will write the next memorandum. Okay? They always have another memorandum. They always have another memorandum to share. It is the latest memorandum. It's the latest one. Yeah. So, very good. So, who wrote all these memorandums? How many memorandums are you going to write? How many memorandums are you going to write? Yeah. That was an old memorandum. See, that memorandum was from last year. Things have changed since then. It was from last year. Things have changed. How cool is that? She is writing another memorandum. Now, do you understand why they are writing more memorandums? It does not make much sense because we know what to do anyway. Yeah. Will they write more memorandums, you think? They will only write more if they think... No, only write more memorandums if they think it will help. Yeah. If it will help the company, the office, if it will help the office, then they will write more memorandums. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Very good. So memorandum, writing a message for people in a business so they all know what's happening. This memorandum explains the new rules. Yeah, this memorandum explains the new rules. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you write a memorandum in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching by Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.